We get a lot of complaints about you to us teachers. You guys have unnecessary detention, too much homework, and make people run laps all day. And you guys are math teachers!
Kai, don't do it! Don't take the risk!
Get down!
Kai! How many times have I to tell you? Water's for finishers! Detention!
Hey, Bradford, wake up! Wake up, Bradford, wake up!
Detention! Look alive to stay alive. Extra homework for both of you. Yes. Can I go to the bathroom? Who uses the bathroom anymore? Detention! Those kids need discipline. They have had it too good for too long. If you ask me, we are too soft on them. They should be grateful.
Why do you believe that?
Well, it all started when we were kids. We had a teacher named Dr. Dollar.
Hey! You forgot the minus sign! That means it's an F! You and your brother get detention! You guys need to write, I promise not to be bad at math as many times as it takes to fill up the whole whiteboard! Hey! You guys are writing too big! You have to write smaller than 2 square inches! And it has to be neater!
I hate running laps.
Hey! You guys are running too slow! 15 more laps for you! And if you don't pick up the pace, I'll make it 20! That's awful! What makes you think you can do that to your students?
We have to get it out of our systems. Yes, that's how we were treated, so why should we treat these students any better?
Maybe you'll feel better about your past if you're nicer now.
What? We might as well try. Could you help us? We've never tried being nice before.
Okay.
Hello, class. I hope you had a terrible weekend. Actually, I hope you had a terribly good weekend. Today, class, we will run laps and do 20-page long algebra tests.
Oh man, not an algebra test. We just had one last week.
It's just a dream.
It's just a dream.
No, it's not. Well, maybe just a 10-page long algebra test.
Still 9.5 pages too long.
Okay, let's study the test today and do the test tomorrow.
Yay!